Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in technology and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of home entertainment with what we believe is the best holographic projection screen on the market. If you love movie nights, Halloween events, or just immersive viewing experiences, this 50 inches by 89 inches holographic rear projection screen might just be the upgrade you've been looking for. Let's take a closer look at this amazing product. First up, the standout feature, the advanced holographic rear projection technology. This screen delivers crisp, high-definition images with incredible clarity. Whether you're watching a movie under the stars, enjoying a Halloween video, or simply streaming your favorite content, you can count on vibrant colors and sharp detail that bring your visuals to life. At 50 inches wide and 89 inches tall, this screen provides a generous viewing area. Perfect for backyard movie nights, you can create a theater experience right in your own home. The size makes it ideal for large groups too, so everyone can enjoy the show no matter where they're sitting. You can even adjust the viewing height and angle with the included mounting hardware, ensuring the perfect setup every time. Now, let's talk about durability. The screen is designed for outdoor use, and it's made from weather-resistant materials. Whether it's rain, wind, or intense sun, this screen can handle it all. You won't have to worry about your screen fading or becoming unusable after a few seasons of use. Its durability makes it the perfect choice for any outdoor event. Setting up this screen couldn't be easier. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware and clear instructions, so you'll be up and running in no time. You can mount it on various surfaces such as walls, fences, or even on projector stands. This flexibility ensures you can customize your setup to suit your needs, whether you're creating a backyard theater or simply looking for a convenient and portable screen option. Another great aspect of this screen is its compatibility with a wide range of projectors. Whether you have a basic home projector or a high-end model, this screen will work seamlessly with your equipment. This wide projector compatibility guarantees you get a high-quality viewing experience regardless of the projector you own. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality, durable, and easy-to-set-up projection screen, the 50 inches by 89 inches holographic rear projection screen is the perfect choice. With its advanced holographic technology, large size, weather resistance, and compatibility with various projectors, it's the ultimate addition to any movie night or outdoor event. We hope this review has helped you find your next must-have gadget. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great product reviews right here on Product Critique.